Welcome to Peppy Animals. Sing, learn, and play with your favorite furry friend.
Peppy Animals, let's sing and play and learn it all. Animals.
Good morning, Peppy friends. Today's lesson is very interesting. It's full of sparkle and smiles. Oh, is it a glitter cupcake again? Or something new this time? Or fairy dancing? That would be even more interesting. Even better, today we are learning magic words. Oh, magic? Like real magic? Yes, words like please, thank you, and sorry are magic. They make everyone feel happy. Look, here we see how they are using magic words. Give me those blocks. Oh, that didn't sound very kind. Try using magic words, Zippy. May I please play with the blocks? Oh, sure. Thank you for asking nicely. Oh no, my picture. Oh, I'm really sorry, Bear. I didn't mean to. Oh, that's great. You are using your magic words so well. It's okay. Thank you for saying sorry. Saying sorry can help fix a little accident. Oops. Excuse me, Kitty. You are welcome. Wow, you both used excuse me and welcome so nicely. So saying sorry, excuse me, welcome, thank you makes the world a happier place. Okay, Peppy friends, see you in the next fun adventure. Bye-bye.
Hello friends, thanks for watching.
Peppy Animals, let's sing and play and learn it all. Animals.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment a heart.